Hello! We welcome you to our YouTube channel. We are going to tell you 10 benefits of banana in today's videos. We hope you will watch our complete videos and benefit. Let's now move on to videos without wasting your valuable time. 1. Rich in potassium. Bananas are high in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals in the body. Adequate potassium intake is beneficial for heart health and can help maintain normal blood pressure. 2. Vitamin C. Bananas contain vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that supports the immune system, helps the body absorb iron, and contributes to healthy skin. 3. Vitamin B6. This vitamin is crucial for brain development and function. It also helps the body convert food into energy and plays a role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters. 4. Dietary fiber. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and helping prevent constipation. The fiber content can also contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. 5. Natural energy boost. The natural sugars in bananas, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, provide a quick and sustained energy boost. This makes them an excellent choice for a pre-workout snack. 6. Heart health. Potassium and fiber in bananas contribute to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 7. Antioxidants. Bananas contain several antioxidants, including dopamine and catechins, which may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. 8. Aid in weight loss. The combination of fiber and natural sugars in bananas can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. 9. Stabilize blood sugar levels. Bananas have a low to moderate glycemic index, meaning they are less likely to cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. 10. Improved digestion. The fiber content in bananas helps regulate the digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements and overall digestive health. While bananas offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume them as part of a balanced diet. As with any food, moderation is key.